Well, hello YouTube. In this video we are going to use radio amateur digital modes to send data, textual data from one PC to another PC using just ordinary PMR FM radios. So this PC you see will be, that is desktop PC, and it will be sending machine, and that sending machine is the hook via Vox to this PMR radio, which is on channel 16. Now channel 16 is actually channel 8, but 16 means that CTCSS is activated. I need to do that because see, there is a lot of interference. So if you don't have that much interference, you can just have normal PMR or any other channel without CTCSS, but in my case I must do that. So this will be like Vox emitting machine. Okay, so the audio is triggering Vox, Voxing is sending data, right? This is receiving laptop, some very old compact machine, and this is receiving radio. This receiving radio is hooked to microphone in on this laptop, and of course it is on channel 8. See, channel 8. Right, now this piece of cable is not yet connected because I want you to hear how specific mode sounds. So let's test that. Okay, let's boost volume a little bit, and I'm gonna move this to my bed because I don't want to trigger emission. Okay, I think we are cool now. So the mode of operation we are going to choose is for start FM Hell. Okay, so this is multi-PSK software. You can grab it from internet. It's absolutely one of the best radio amateur softwares out there. So FM Hell is first mode of operation, and I'm just going to send stream of A's because it is very easy to detect errors on receiving part, right? So let's do that because I want you to see how that look alike. Okay. So that's the volume, and we do have radio sending AAA. Maybe some of you guys will like this. Right, so let me just finish transmission. Okay, and now we are going to hook this banana connector to output of this radio. Okay. So that's cool. Now we can send data, and you will see data incoming here like on waterfall or SDR, whatever, and here you're going to see like actual data. So let's do that. Let's start on this machine AAA. Maybe I don't need that much of A's, so let me just grab a half of A's here. That's good for testing purposes. And let me observe what's gonna happen here. Like, I think this volume level is enough. So let's start transmission. And the radio is sending, and here we do see a receiving stream. Okay, so there you go. That's a receiving stream, and radio is received everything. Okay. And obviously it's short range, but it's a really cool experimentation. Now, here's the thing, when you're sending, this stuff will be white background, and when you're receiving, this stuff will be blue background. So let's test that, I don't know, one more time, but I'm gonna push level totally down there, because I don't wanna burn input microphone on this radio. Right, so let's test that one more time. Allow me a couple of seconds to zoom. And the radio is sending, like desktop machine is sending, and this one is receiving. Okay, so radio is receiving. There you go, guys. This is how you send text over the FM radio. Obviously you're going to use that on radio amateur frequencies on SSB, but yeah, you can do that on FM too. Frequencies I'm using are just the PMR, right? So see, cool stuff, bro. Anyway, this mode of operation was FM Hell. I don't know if you can see this, FM Hell. So let's switch to PSKH, right? And we do have, okay, let me do that on this one, PSK, click, there you go. So now we are receiving here PSKH, and let's start sending some data on a transmitting desktop machine. So AAA, okay, we are sending stuff, and here we are receiving stuff. Cool stuff, bro. And a little bit later we can hear how those things actually sound. But this is very cool illustration that you can use cheap radios to send data. Okay, Feldhell. Feldhell is also a very cool mode. Let me switch receiving side to Feldhell. Feldhell, okay, we have stream. Right, so let's send something from this one. Paste. Radio is sending, desktop is sending, and as you see, laptop is correctly receiving. There are no any kind of problems. AAA, everything is absolutely fine. And honestly, yeah, it automatically detected here like strongest signal, and I didn't pay attention to that, but apparently it works perfectly. Okay, what else we have? We have Hell 80 as a mode. Hell 80 as a mode. Let's change things here to Hell 80. Very cool modes these old stuff are. Okay, let me prepare things here, and let's start sending a Hell 80 to Tokiwoki. Do I need to press anything here? Oh, there it is. Oh, so this one is sending, sorry, and this one successfully received that stuff. How, guys, cool is that? How cool is that? Okay, so this is obviously one-way communication, but maybe tomorrow I'm gonna grab a couple of more cables and do a two-way experimentation. But generally, if one way is doing fine, then two-way will do fine also. One radio do have aux, another radio do have aux, if you wanna simplify things. This one doesn't have aux, but this is why I'm using it to receive stuff. But don't worry about that. In your case, just grab things with aux. Baofengs are not good for that, because Baofengs do have problem with aux, like when you are creating parrots and stuff like that. Okay, I think it's enough for one video. Let me repeat one more time to all you guys that are doing experimentation, especially on PMR. This is multi-PSK software, and you can use any low-powered device pretty much, or PMR kid toy if you like. Now I'm using professional PMR radio, but that's cool because I don't have too much of kids toys anymore, you know, because I'm kinda getting older. Well, that's it in this video. Oh yeah, you probably wanna know how these things sound when you remove cables, right? We can do that, we can test that. Let me push this radio right here, and let me roll one more time to FM Hell. Okay, so FM Hell, let's test it one more time. There you go, this is FM Hell. Okay. And also I'm gonna simplify here a little bit. I don't need that amount of noise. This is PSKH, let's test that. PSKH. And now this will be Feldhell. Absolutely gorgeous modes. And Hell 80. Okay, this will be Hell 80. Okay, so yeah, that was in this video. Consider it tutorial, and this is absolutely awesome. You can send whatever you like using radios using air. Absolutely glorious radio amateurism, and if you don't have any other radio, you can try a little bit on PMR. Right. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.